Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own music simply by using AI. So, in this era of artificial intelligence, anyone can create their own original music in just 3 mouse clicks, even without any knowledge of music theory. If you search for relaxing music on YouTube, you'll see that the average video views for this kind are truly quite amazing. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I like to make my own music using these awesome AI music generators. The first AI generator music tool we'll be using is Traxy AI. In terms of use, you can use their tool to create AI generated music for free, which you can use even for monetization. Make sure to also double check and read carefully to understand how to use the music on a different platform. So, of course, as like everything, you need to start by making a Traxy AI account. Simply click on the sign up button, and of course, you can create an account using your own email or a Gmail account if you have one. Simply go through the usual account creation process, and once you're finished with your account registration, go ahead and log in to your Traxy account. Once you've logged in, go ahead and click on the Create Track button to start creating your free AI music. So to start creating with this AI tool, you'll only need a couple of clicks to create your original AI music. First, select your music genre or mood. For this example, we'll be using ambient music. Then, select your music length. You are free to choose between 15 seconds to up to 3 minutes long. And then once you've set all those settings, click on the Create My Track button to start generating your free AI music. Just give it some time, and once the generation process is complete, you can directly play and sample your AI music. If you like what you heard, go ahead and click on the Save button. And if you're not really a fan, go ahead and click Create My Track again to generate new AI music. If you wish to download the generated AI music, go to your library and click on the Download button. Remember, you will need to put a license or attribution in your content description. Next, let's go over quickly how to create a music video using Canva. So, surprisingly enough, you don't need to have any complex video editing skills using a video editor. Having a little bit of know-how with Canva alone is enough to do this task. So to start things off, let's go to the Canva dashboard, and then click on the Video button. Then, choose the Element menu, and type in the video style you want to use in the search bar. Then click on the Video tab and select your desired video. Right-click, and select the Set Video as Background option. Now, you want to drag and drop your AI music from part 1, which we've generated, into the Canva editor area. Just click on the plus button to add another video so that the video length matches the generated audio length. Feel free to click and drag your music to match the video length, like so. Simply repeat this step until the end of your audio track. And then once you're all happy with all your settings, go ahead and click on the Share button and then choose Download. Choose the MP4 video format, and then also choose your desired video quality. Make sure you select all the pages in your Select Page option. And once you're done with all of that, click on Download to download your music video. Here's a sample of what mine looks like. Now I'll also give you guys some additional alternatives for AI music generation. You can use this application called the Waveformer to also generate some AI music. Simply go to the Waveformer website, type your prompt, enter your video length, and click on the Make Music button to start generating your AI music on Waveformer. Do note, however, that the maximum length is 30 seconds, so this music generator is really only suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram feeds, TikTok, or other short-form content. This AI tool, though, will give you music and video formats as the result, and you can definitely download them depending on what you need. Another alternative is to use Beethoven AI to generate long-form AI music. You are free to use a free plan with Beethoven, and the maximum music length is up to 5 minutes. Do note, if you do use the premium plan, you can generate up to 15 minutes of music. Of course, to start using this AI tool, you'll also have to sign up for a Beethoven AI account. Click on the sign up button, sign in with your Gmail or email account, finish the registration process, log in and go to your Beethoven AI dashboard. Then click on the new track button to start creating your AI music. Simply type your music title, set the duration, choose your tempo, and then click next to continue. Then select your music genre and then click apply to continue. What's cool is that you can also choose the music emotion you wish to add. Simply choose that, click the apply button, and that'll start generating your AI music. Of course, if you don't like the result, you can also select an alternative track in the alternate track section, or you can generate absolutely new music by clicking the Get New Tracks button. You can also adjust the music volume and change instruments if needed. And once you're happy with the final result, go ahead and click on Download Track to download your AI music. And that's really all there is to creating your original own music with these AI generators. If you have any other questions or inquiries with the steps I've shown you today, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Take care.